What was that? Oh wow, that actually hurt. Hold on, what's this here? A OnePlus 15T? No way. Could this actually be real? It really is. Could this be the long-awaited OnePlus 15T everyone's been talking about? Inside the box, the first thing you see should be the phone case. It's green and made from the same high-quality silicone material that OnePlus usually includes. Then we've got the 100-watt fast charger along with the charging cable and, of course, the SIM ejector tool as well. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Honestly, opening this feels like striking gold, and yes, it really is the OnePlus 15T. The phone itself feels very compact in hand. Based on the size, it looks like it has a 6.3-inch display, which makes it comfortable to hold. The back design continues the same style we saw on the OnePlus 15. Since the OnePlus 13T also used a similar look, this design is now basically part of the OnePlus family identity. Personally, I really like it. It's clean, minimal, and stylish. The camera module is also quite small with only a slight bump, so when you're holding the phone normally, it doesn't get in the way of your fingers. And wow, the grip actually feels really nice. This particular green color is called Relaxing Matcha, and it genuinely gives off a fresh and calming vibe. When you hold it, it almost feels like sitting down for a relaxing afternoon tea with a slice of matcha cake. It's that kind of chill, refreshing color. What rating would you give this green finish? Now let's move to the front. One of the small criticisms people had with last year's OnePlus 13T was about the bezels. But on this year's OnePlus 15T, the bezels are incredibly narrow. All four sides look extremely slim. Visually, they appear to be just a little over 1 millimeter, making them comparable to some of the best displays out there. If no one told you, you might even think the entire front panel was just a green display. Honestly, the front looks fantastic. If I had to rate it, I'd give it full marks because it really does look amazing. Next, let's check out the camera section. The OnePlus 15T keeps the two-tone camera design we saw on the OnePlus 13T, but this time, the telephoto camera gets a major upgrade. It now features a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, which is the same setup used on the OnePlus 15. After using the OnePlus 15 for a while, I can say that this telephoto lens is extremely useful in everyday shooting. Let me show you a few sample shots to demonstrate the clarity. If we zoom in all the way to 10x, the level of detail is seriously impressive. The textures on the trees look very clear, and there's no heavy over-sharpening happening. You also don't see many processing artifacts, so the images look very natural. There are two upgrades here that I personally appreciate a lot. First is the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on the front, which has been improved. The second is the addition of wireless fast charging. With upgrades like these, it's fair to say the OnePlus 15T is a meaningful step forward compared to the previous model. And when it comes to the processor, well, if you know OnePlus, you already know what to expect. The OnePlus 13T used the latest Snapdragon flagship chip available at the time, and the OnePlus 15T will definitely continue that flagship level positioning. Battery life should also be interesting. I already thought the OnePlus 13T had excellent endurance, but now this phone packs a massive 7,500 milliamp hour battery inside a packed 6.3-inch body. That means the battery performance could be incredibly impressive. Overall, you can immediately tell that the OnePlus 15T is packed with top-tier hardware. It's a small screen phone that feels great to hold, and it also addresses many of the shortcomings people mentioned about the previous OnePlus 13T. I've even seen some people online calling it the little hammer phone. As for how it performs in real-world use, we'll talk about that in the full review later. If you have any questions about the OnePlus 15T, drop them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to test them for you. For now, this was just an early unboxing. Stay tuned for the full detailed review coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye.